What's poppin', everybody? We are back and getting to a new workout program, you guys. So I haven't been recording for like the last 2 weeks. I've just been slacking on the recording because I have a bunch of videos that I still backed up on, got to edit and cut up and shit. So I've been just taking it easier on the recording and more on the editing. So this is us getting back to it. But for the last 2 weeks, well, this is my second week on this program. I'm doing one of Jeff Nipper's bodybuilding programs. So I just wanted to switch it up and have some structure. So I already structure my own workouts, and I've been doing fucking great. Like I feel like whenever I'm actually dialed in and doing things the right way, I see progress like a motherfucker, and it's going great. But I want to see what it's like to follow another program that isn't just specific, like isn't mine, and see how it plays out. So it's like a four-day program, and I just do a fifth day of just like mobility work and a little bit of cardio and doing extra shit like that. So for today, we're hitting the back focus, and so with 4 days, it's a full body thing every single day. We're hitting a little bit of everything, so this is gonna be just a little bit more back focus. And this is what I mean, like I've already kind of done shit like this before, but I don't think this is before I started recording and all that, so this isn't my first time really getting in depth with a full body split. So for today, back focus. This is my second set of pull-ups right here. Let's see whatever the fuck we got. We're gonna juice this shit out. Pull-ups are one of my weak points. I used to be able to do 10 in a row. That's when I was at my lightest, and I was like 8 pounds off of what I'm at right now. So it's a crazy deal what 8 pounds will do to you. It's a huge difference. So let's see. I got 6 on my first one. Let's see what the fuck I got on this next set. All right, let's try this shit out. It's gonna be a good one. Oh man. See, if my last rep by itself didn't fucking look pretty, I try to do those negative reps just to kind of, I feel like it evens out that last nasty rep. So let's first set in, let's see what the fuck we got. One more set of these hoes. So program only calls for 3 sets of these, so 3 sets is what we're gonna give. I'm not really the biggest fan of push-ups either way, pull-ups either way. So let's see what the fuck we get out of this last set. Oh, I'm gonna do a bunch of those negative ones really just to juice out my whole back. Yeah. Fuck. That's all we need. So moving on to these humble rows. Honestly, I never even heard about these until Jeff, so that motherfucker got a lot of shit in the vault. Let's see what the hell this. So I went for 50s last week. But those were damn fucking rough, and I feel like I didn't have the form down to the dot, so I'm gonna try these out with 45s and see how this shit goes. Let's see what we got.
This is crazy.
Oh, I got like 13 of those. I did not feel that bad, so I'm definitely going back up to 50. Let's see how much we can get. Yeah, fuck that. We're moving up from 45 to 50s. Let's see what the fuck we get here, bruvs. For our second set. Come on. We still got 12. I'm only supposed to be getting 10, so even from there, that shit felt fucking great. I'm going on up. 55 for the last set. We're only getting 3 of these. Let's keep it going. Last but not least, set 3. I went even heavier for this one because that shit was moving like a breeze. I got 12. Again, I was only going for 10, so let's see what we get here. Fuck, I got a hair in my face. Hold on. All right, let's do this shit. Come on. Yeah, my grip was giving out on that one. Fuck. That's not what, it was my back that gave up, my grip was on fire. But now I know. I can do fucking 60s. I got 12 of those again. Last week, 40 fucking 5 and 50 was rough, so I don't know, maybe I'd say I get used to it. I just had to get used to it. Let's keep it going though. We're on from humble rows to leg pressing. I don't usually do machine leg presses, but ever since I'm in this program, I'm literally doing everything to the dot for the most part. So leg pressing, first warm-up set. Let's see what we got. I'm probably gonna skip my first working set, so I don't gotta record the whole damn thing, but let's get it. All right, first warm up and let's keep it going. Yeah, I ended up skipping first and second working set. This is my last one. My legs are currently about to fall off, but that's what the fuck we're here for, right? Woo-wee. Let's do this shit, you guys. It's I'm liking it though, cause you go from upper body to lower body. I mean, I've done this type of split before. And actually, okay, there's something like this, not inherently upper and lower, but like chest and back, you know, opposing body parts. So let's see how the fuck this shit goes. Last set, come on. That shit took me out. Oh, okay. Let's move on to the next exercise, y'all. We're taking too fucking long. We're already an hour and 10 minutes in. Probably an hour and 20 actually, but next exercise. Yeah, I didn't even record the first two sets because I'm just moving right through these bitches. But upright rows and tricep push aways, I'm kind of supersetting them just because, bro, this fucking program, if I take my time with it, like no supersets, I'm in here for 2 hours plus, and I'm like, bro, 2 hours is like usually my max. I'm like, it's just doing too much sometimes, but let's do this shit. Enough talking, more moving, let's go. 12 of those felt great. A superset, come on. Off all your clothes. 14 dirty whores of reps. Let's keep it pushing, y'all. Next exercise, superset, hammer curls and cable core crunches, all right? Yeah, I keep skipping on recording. This is my last set with 3 sets in. Hammer curls and cable core crunches. I kind of just been flying through them, so let's see what we got. Last but not least, come on. Fuck those. Let's see, come on. Man, the last set I just did of these, I felt little to nothing in my fucking core. I felt it all in my arms, which pissed me off quite a bit because I usually get a damn good mind muscle connection. So let's see what we got here. I'm gonna try to really get this shit dialed in. I felt it more that time, but I don't get it. I usually feel these like 10 out of 10. Stimulus on my fucking core, but that was kind of a bitch today. Either way, that's all we got. Let's go finish it off with a pump check, everyone. Let's finish it off, y'all. It's been too damn long since I've done a pump check, so let's see what our progress is looking like. And that's how we finish it off, you guys. Thank y'all for tapping in yet again. I'm gonna keep this shit rolling. I know I've been slacking for a bit, but trying to get back into the fucking training, you guys. All right. Appreciate the support, everybody. Well, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios, amigos.